Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to look at how to add a place on Google Map. Okay, to add a place to Google Map, you either contribute via the Google Map website or you use the Google Map mobile application. Okay, in my case, I'm going to use the Google Map website. So I'll quickly launch my browser, then I will visit Google Map website in my browser. So after opening Google Map, I'll click on the first link, that is the official website for Google Maps. Okay, so I'll wait for it to open. Okay, so that is that. So now I want to add a place to Google Map. How do I go about it? Now you just have to come and click on this hamburger right here. That's the three dots that you see at the left top corner. So you click on it. Now when you click on it, you see some options right here, bunch of options right here. Now look through it and look for add a missing place. Now just below add a missing place, we have another option which says add your business. So you go for add your business if you are trying to add any business that you are running. Let's say in case you run a food joint, you run any business and you want to put it there. Please, your option for you to add your place is add your business. So you click on it and this option will open for you. So it will take you to another tab and it will open something like this for you. It says start building your business profile. So you have to enter your business name and the category of the business that you do and click next. After that, you just follow the instructions and it will get done. Okay, in my case, I'll go back to my in my case, I'll select add a missing place because I'm not trying to add a business. So I'll click on add a missing place. So after adding or clicking add a place, this is what I will see. So now I have to read the information here to know what I'm required to do. So it says place details. Provide some information about this place. If this place is added to map, it will appear publicly. Okay, so now I have to enter the name of the place that I want to add. So I want to add something like tech for you. Okay, so after entering the name, I have to come and add a category. Category is the exact thing that you want to put in that particular category. Please, there is tons of categories here, so you can look through it and select the one that best fits in. So if you don't see what you the category, you can just type it. So mine is information service, so I'll click on information service and then I'll put in my address here. Please, when you are adding information on Google Map, make sure all the information you put in there is authentic, it is right, it is correct, so that it will help others to find you so easily and quickly. Okay, so now I'll put in my address. Okay, so after adding my address, I'll come to edit map location. I have to edit the map and put this pointer at the exact place that I can be located so that people can easily find me. So I'll click on edit map right here. So it will open like this for me. Okay, so this is showing me the geographical view of my area, but then I can't see very clearly, so I have to come and click on the satellite view. Here is the satellite. Click here. When you click on the satellite view, you get the correct view where you can see the buildings very clearly. Okay, so this will help me to choose the exact place that I am actually located. So I can see some of the other places, some places that is added to the map. So I can use those places added to the map as a guide to select the exact place that I am located. So I can look through this side and say, okay, I am located here. So I will make sure the pointer is located on the building that I am currently in. So this is where I am. So I'll click on save. Now after that, I'll come here and say located within Cape Coast, so I'll select Cape Coast. After that, I'll come and click on add more details. So after clicking on this, I can click here to add working hours. Okay, let's say I work on Sundays. My services are 24 hours service, so I'll click on 24 hours. This one to 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. Okay, let's say Thursdays I don't work, Fridays and Saturdays too, I don't work. So after this, I will just click on add photos to add a photo if I have a photo of the place that I'm trying to add. If you don't have any photo, you can skip it. Later, when you have a photo, you come back and add it. So I'll click on save to continue. Now I have to enter the phone number I'm using for this place. So I will add my phone number right here. Okay, if you have a website, after entering your phone number, if you have a website, you put in your website here so that it will show that you are authentic and real. And when you do, you put in the right details right here, it will help Google to process your submit at a very speed rate. Okay, so now this is what I will do for now. Now, after filling in everything correctly, I'll come and click on submit. So when you click on submit, Google will tell you this: thanks for improving Google Map. You will get an email when your suggestion is reviewed. Okay, so that means my submission is under review. So after everything is done and I am showing on the Google Map, Google will send me an email. So this is how to add a place on Google Map. If you have any question, kindly put it at the comment section for me. Thank you for watching. Peace.